Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make quick Rava idli in just 3 minutes. If you are in a hurry and want to make breakfast for yourself, here's what you do. In a microwavable bowl, take equal amounts of instant Rava idli mix and curds. I'll take 2 spoons of each and then mix it very well. Mix well to this consistency and place the bowl in the microwave between 2 and 3 minutes depending on the power of your microwave. In just 2 minutes, beautifully cooked Rava idli is ready to eat. You can eat it directly in the bowl or transfer it to a plate and eat it with your favorite chutney or chutney powder. I hope you enjoyed this video and will try making this fatafat Rava idlis. Thanks for watching.